Hello students, today we are going to draw a bird using alphabet H. Okay, so first of all we will write alphabet H in lowercase. So for this you will draw a vertical line like this. Okay, a vertical line like this and draw like this. Okay, so this is your alphabet H. Now you are going to take this part, this lower part, and move like this downwards and go back and move upwards like this. Okay, move like this. Now draw a beak right over here like this and a V shape and draw a line here. Now draw an inverted U here for the eye like this, inverted U, and join this. Now draw the eyeball like this. Okay, now we will draw the wing. Increase this part upward a bit and you have to jump 11 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Now draw a line over here like this. Okay, now draw another wing here. Draw a line right here outwards a bit like this and 2 jumps. Okay, you have to draw this line equal to the height of this. Okay, so now 2 jumps, 1 and 2. This is your second wing. Now draw the tail over here like this, and this is your bird ready. Now we will fill the colors here. For the colors we will fill orange color in the beak and the wings. Fill the colors carefully like this, and now yellow color in the body. Don't fill it in the eye. Okay, so bird is ready. Now you all have to draw it. Okay.